Guys. Oh my god.
Hey, yo,
So yeah,
chicken
we are
don't
ready
cry
to
for night.
park.
Hey, yo.
Guys, guess our next location. Good morning, guys.
Morning.
So this is Obudu. We couldn't make it up to the ranch yesterday because we arrived here late, so we had to find some hotel to sleep over.
Yeah.
This is the next morning. I couldn't change up because my loads are in the box and I can't unpack. So this is the next morning. We are hitting the road. Adventure starts
Again.
this morning.
Purr. Here is a hotel.
So guys, this is our space here at Obudu, and this is called the villa. Basically wants to show you guys what it looks like on the inside. So this is the space. You have the first room, which is my room. I'm settled in already, and this is where you sit and relax. And then you have the second room. This is my bestie's room. And guys, I wish I can open this thing. Okay. This is the back and the sit out. This is where you look at other views. So we asked them to change this. They're here to change it. This place is so cold, guys. So cold. Like, I'm shaking. I'm shaking, guys. This place is so cold. This is what the view looks like from my end. Oh my god. This is what it looks like. So we have other villas. This particular villa is a 3-bedroom villa. So 2 rooms downstairs and 1 upstairs. So guys, I'm headed to the last room upstairs. I want to show you guys what it looks like. Okay, so this is what the room looks like, guys. This is the restroom, and I think that should be the wardrobe. Let's see what it looks like. This, and then you have the back seat out as well. Oh my god. Here is the back view.
That will be all for today, guys.
Don't forget to turn on post notification to see my next video for us to dive into the adventure here at the Obudu Cattle Ranch. Please comment, share, subscribe, and like. See you in my next video, guys. Bye for now. Take care.